As a knife maker, one of the most important steps about making Damascus is the final etch. This refers to whenever you apply an acid to the steel, and this reveals the grain pattern that you created earlier in the process. Well, what you might not know is there's actually 3 common chemicals that you can use to etch steel, 2 of which are readily available at most grocery stores. The first and least common of these is ferric chloride, and essentially it's a concentrated acid that can be used in water purification and metal etching. I'll usually dilute this heavily and keep it weaker, that way I can control the etch and get a much cleaner result. Now the second chemical is muratic acid, and this can usually be found at Walmart or other hardware stores, and essentially it's a really strong version of ferric chloride. One thing to keep in mind though is muratic is very volatile and can be really dangerous to use, so definitely take the proper safety precautions if you're going to use it. Now the third and most common chemical is white distilled vinegar. That's right, you can use cooking vinegar in order to etch steel. A little trick, if you heat it up, you'll speed up the reaction and make it very volatile, which in turn etches the steel a lot faster. All 3 of these acids should be used in a well-ventilated space though, and make sure you take the proper safety precautions as it's nothing to play around with.